What's up, my friends? Maxland Studios here, and today we're going to be showing you how to fix the audio, distortion audio from Sega Genesis Radica plug-and plays. Now this requires soldering, of course. So because as you can see, I have the board already at my soldering center, and I already took it apart. So soldering is definitely required, just to let you know. Anyways, first what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take your soldering gun and remove L3 from the board by heating the two pad sides up. Second, what you're going to do is that you're gonna grab some wire or a jumper wire and then solder the wire to the audio out pin, and then solder the other side of the wire to pin 7 of the LM358 chip. Now the camera may be, it may not show about the next results, because I wasn't sure what I was doing eventually. I mean, whatever. So I'm gonna tell you what you'll know what's gonna happen on that. Third thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna remove R21 from the board. Next, just heat those two sides up and it'll come right off. And next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab another piece of wire. Then you're gonna solder one side to the inner pad where R21 was, and then connect the other side of the wire to R26 on the left side. And there we go. Now let's give it a test run and see if it worked. Right up to the before and after results. What about this? What about this last one?